Well, it's time for the Christmas message video. But what is the real message that we can learn this year? Hi, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. It's been a tough year, there's no getting away from it, but I thought we'd end the year with a video that is slightly light-hearted, although there is a poignant end. And the real message does come at the end. It's only a short video, please stick with it. And as always, remember to like and leave a comment if you have time. And choosing the right shade of blue paint for the model took a very long time indeed. Once you've chosen the right type of glue, it's important to remember to use as little as you can get away with. So something like this N-gauge telephone box, which really is very small, only needs a small dot of glue. So let's apply that now. Oops. As always, it's really most important to remember that soldering irons get hot. And if your soldering iron comes into contact with any of these pink moving parts that are attached to you, well, you're going to have a problem. Luckily, I've been model making for many, many years, and I'm not stupid enough to do anything like burning myself as I attach these droppers. Well, I hope you enjoyed that despite the poignant end. And that is the real message, isn't it? Even if we're having a bad year, there are people in the world facing struggles far greater than we can ever imagine. That's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed the content this year. Looking forward to a very exciting 2023. We've got lots of great stuff coming your way. Stay tuned, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, please remember to select all from the bell, and that way you won't miss another video from St Blazey Model World. Bye for now. Bye-bye.